Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Interjections. Look at the pictures and then listen to me carefully when I read the sentences below them. Bravo! Well hit! Oh, look at the moon. Alas, my dog is dead. Hurrah! Our school has won the match. In sentence 1, the word bravo expresses sudden admiration. In sentence 2, the word oh expresses sudden wonder. In sentence 3, the word alas expresses sudden grief. In sentence 4, the word hurrah expresses sudden joy. The words bravo, oh, alas and hurrah express some sudden feeling and are called interjections. Learn. An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling of the mind.
Fill in the blanks with suitable interjections. Dash what a victory. Hooray. Dash where have you been? Hello. Dash that was really magnificent. Bravo. Dash mother is ill. Whoosh. Dash out rise some. Oh. Match the words in column A with words in column B. Bravo. Express admiration. Hooray. Express joy. Alas. Express grief. Oh. Express wonder. Whoosh. Express caution.
Number of nouns and pronouns. Look at the pictures given under A and B. 1 boy, 1 cat, 1 apple. 2 boys, 3 cats, 4 apples. The nouns in A, boy, cat and apple stand for one person, animal or a thing. The nouns in B, boys, cats and apples stand for more than one person, animal and thing. Learn. Any noun that stands only for one person, animal, place or a thing is said to be in the singular number. Any noun that stands for more than one person, animal, place or a thing is said to be in the plural numbers. Now let us learn how we can change nouns from singular to plural by adding s to the singular. Book, books. Boy, boys. Cow, cows. Day, days. And so on. Nouns that end in a hissing sound, ch, s, sh or x form their plurals by adding es to the singular. Bench, benches, bus, buses, class, classes, bush, bushes, box, boxes, and so on. By changing nouns ending in y to ies and forming plurals. Army, armies, diary, diaries, baby, babies, country, countries, and so on. Study the words given carefully. Here, y does not change into ies. Ray, rays, monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys, valley, valleys, holiday, holidays, toy, toys, way, ways. Some nouns that end in o form their plurals by adding es. Cargo, cargoes, hero, heroes, mango, mangoes, mosquito, mosquitoes, and so on. Nouns that end in f or fe generally make their plurals by changing f and fe into ves, like this. Calf, calves, half, halves, knife, knives, wife, wives, and so on. Remember, you have learned 5 rules for changing nouns from singular to plural. Now learn 2 very different rules. You have to look and read very carefully. Look at the pictures. Mice, teeth, geese, oxen, children. In the pictures, there are plurals of nouns where the whole word is changed and in some no change is made. Mouse, mice, goose, geese, man, men, ox, oxen, child, children, woman, women, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, gentleman, gentlemen. But look at these and learn. Deer, deer, sheep, sheep, fish, fish, fishes sometimes. How can we change sentences from singular to plural? Look at the pictures and then listen to me carefully. The woman has a knife, singular. The women have knives, plural. The lady fills the glass, singular. The ladies fill the glasses, plural. The child is eating an ice cream, singular. The children are eating ice creams, plural. Remember, pronouns Pronouns are words used instead of a noun. They also change from singular into plural. Look and read these sentences. I am a good boy. We are good boys. He is a good boy. They are good boys. She is a good girl. They are good girls. So what have you learnt? I, he, she show one person and therefore take a singular verb. Am, is. We and they show more than one person and therefore take a plural verb. Are. But the pronoun you has the same form in both singular and the plural, as you are a lazy boy, singular. You are lazy boys, plural.
Give the plurals of these nouns. Month, months. Book, books. Leaf, leaves. Mango, mangoes. Lady, ladies. Match the pronouns in column A with their kinds in column B. The boy was watching the sheep. The boys were watching the sheep. The birds were sitting on the tree. The birds were sitting on the trees. The child was crying. The children were crying. The woman was cooking. The women were cooking. The leaf fell from the tree. The leaves fell from the trees.
Verbs.
Thank you for watching
Be
my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.